Hey everyone, welcome back to Mainframe Master YouTube channel where we break down tech interviews questions into bite-sized explanations. In today's video, we are tackling a classic question that shows up often in SQL and DB2 interviews. How do you find the nth highest salary from an employee table? Let's walk through two powerful ways to solve this using a subquery and correlated subquery. Let's start with the first method, the simple subquery approach, where we have the select max salary from employee. This just grabs the maximum salary from the employee table, which is our first highest. So we can add the subquery. Now what about the second highest? Here we can add the subquery. Here's what's happening. We first find the maximum salary inside the subquery, and then on the outer query we look for the maximum salary that's less than that. That gives us the second highest salary. You can keep chaining this pattern for the third, fourth, and so on, just by nesting more subqueries. But there's another way. When you want more flexibility, that's where the correlated subquery comes in. So another approach is correlated subquery approach. This technique is dynamic, meaning we can just plug in any number for n and get the nth highest salary. Select salary from employee A, where n equals select count star from employee B, where A dot salary less than equal to B dot salary. We can replace n with the desired rank. Let's break down this step by step. Let's take an example of this employee table. So where we have the employee name and employee salary for 5 different employees. So the below select query provide us the third highest salary. So select employee salary from employee A, where 3 equals select count distinct B dot employee salary from employee B, where A dot employee salary less than equal to B dot employee salary. Here the output is 64,500. So let's understand the aliases A and B. The outer query selects from the employee table and gives it alias A. The subquery uses the same table but gives it a different alias B. This allows us to compare one row from A against all rows from B. So for n equals to 3, you're looking for the salary such that there are exactly 2 salaries higher than it in the table. The subquery counts how many salaries in B are greater than or equal to it. So let's say for a given salary in table A, this subquery counts how many salaries in B are greater than equal to. The more people earn equal or more than you, the lower your rank. For example, if your salary is the highest, the subquery returns 1, only yourself. So you rank first. If there are 2 people earning more than you, it returns 3, them plus yourself, meaning you are in third place. So the where clause, where n equals to subquery, this checks is the number of people earning equal or more than me equal to n. If yes, include that record in the results, and finally once that record is found, it returns the employee's salary. And there you have it, 2 solid ways to solve for the nth highest salary in DB2. This is a go-to interview question, so make sure you understand how both solutions work and then when to use which. Pro tip is use subqueries if you only need the top few values. Use correlated subqueries when you want more flexibility or when n is a variable. Got questions or want me to cover more DB2 topics? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interview focused content.